Let's get into some of the basic endodontic features on your Teneo treatment center. The first thing that you're going to want to do is activate your hand file measurement. In order to do that, you're going to push the sub menu button on your home screen and you're going to activate the file clip button. This will allow you to manually use your file clip in addition to your lip clip to get a good working length with a hand file. After you proceed in getting a working length, you can activate the integrated endodontics by pushing the clinical procedures button with the picture of a tooth on it. Then you're going to go into the endo menu here. On this menu, you have several different options. When I tap the endo button, I can then select which position I want to do endodontics on. In this case, we have 2 electric motors, so I can pick which position I want it on. I'll pick position 3. Go back out of this menu, and I'm going to pick my file system that I want to use. Now we have Endo activated. You can tell because the Endo icon is orange, and you see it's active on position 3. When I pick up the Endo attachment, you now see I'm in my endodontic workflow. The first thing that you want to do is put in your first file, which in this case is an SX file, and you're going to hit calibrate. With the file in the attachment, you're going to step on the foot pedal. You can hear the motor is going through some different movements to calibrate itself. Once this button goes solid orange, that means it's done calibrating. So we're done. We're ready to start our instrumentation. As I progress through my different file settings, I can tap these and my speed and torque will automatically change in the background. As I'm shaping with my rotary instruments, you need to make sure that the lip clip is in position on the patient. You can see here that that's active as I'm shaping. So if I want to change any of these settings, I can tap the sub-menu dialog button and it takes me to the screen with speed and torque for each individual file. In addition to adjusting the speed and torque for each individual file, you may want to use your foot pedal to negotiate which file you're on. I can do that by sliding my directional pad to the right or left, and you can see I'm selecting the file without manually reaching back over here. On your touchscreen, you'll also notice when I'm using the apex locator, you'll see there's a max indicator on the left. That shows me how far I've advanced my file in that particular canal. In order to clear that for a new canal, or if the apex locator is not reading correctly, I can tap the lip clip to the attachment, and that will reset the apex locator as well as my max position. I also have my apical stop setting here. If I tap the sub-menu dialog button 2 times, that'll take me to my apical stop settings. Recommend setting that at 0 to 0.5, and if you have apex stop on, then the file will stop when it reaches that distance that you've specified here. If you have auto reverse set, that will stop the file. You can let off the foot control, then step on it again, and this will back you out of that canal. If you want to add your own file system to your Teneo's Endo library, you can tap the tooth icon, hit the Endo settings button, select file systems, and you can scroll down and pick any file system that you want. So let's say I want to add Wave 1. I highlight it and just simply hit the back button, and now I have Wave 1 available as an option. In addition to that, you can also, on your piezo, activate Endo mode, which allows you to use the irrigant activation tips for debriding and cleaning canals. So that's how you do integrated endodontics on your Teneo treatment center.